Now, the President Emerson Mnangagwa-led Zimbabwe government has bolstered the Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP with 450 new vehicles following the recent deployment of military tankers and water cannons on the streets to intimidate citizens. Now, the vehicles get commissioned in Harare on Thursday. Vice President Kembo Mohadi is the one who will do that. Then we see comments from Home Affairs Minister Kazembe, and he says, "It is for this and many other reasons that the people of Zimbabwe remain indebted to the government's stance and leadership. I am privileged to highlight that beyond this batch of vehicles, the government is also in the process of availing cutting-edge technology to the police. This fleet of vehicles will significantly improve police service delivery, which is crucial for scene attendance, public order management patrols, traffic enforcement, border patrols, and general administration in general." With that, I sign out. 450. Let us see how these vehicles are going to be adding the police to improve how they run our business.